Hey, this is Mr. Just in Case, your insurance professional, talking to you about claims. So, if you get into an accident, we'll start off with car accident. If something happens, number one, make sure you're safe, pull over to the side of the road. Number two, get pictures, as many pictures as possible, right? All angles. Number three, make sure you get a police report. Side note, the police may come over and tell you, look, don't worry about it. I'm not going to file a report. You guys just handle that with your insurance. Don't listen to them. No offense to 12, but they're not insurance and they're not going to cover paying for your car to get fixed. All right? They don't know what we know when it comes to insurance. So make sure they write up a report so that you know and have something written down who did what they saw, if you were the person that hit them or if they were the person that hit you, make sure that's written down. Next, call your insurance company. Boom, call the claims team. Say, hey, I got into an accident. I want to start the claims process. They'll deal with your deductible. That's the amount that you'll have to pay. Everything over and above that, your insurance carrier should cover, whether it's, for a collision or whatever. Next step is your claims. They will try and call you. Two things. If the other person, right, the other person's insurance company gives you a call, don't talk to them. Don't talk to them at all. That is why you pay your insurance agent and your insurance carrier. They are going to handle that conversation. What that other person's carrier is doing, they want you to call and say something wrong so that they can blame you and not have to pay out. So don't talk to them. Part two is with your own insurance. Your carrier is going to call you. They're going to send out a claims adjuster, claims agent to take a look at the damage, ask you some questions. Don't say too much, meaning you don't want to lie, right? But you don't want to say things that you don't know for certain. So if you don't know exactly how fast you were going, don't say, I think I was going about 20, right? Because that's going to hurt you. That could hurt you, right? If you don't know exactly what part of the car hit what, don't say my front right bumper hit their back right or my, no. Just say I was in an accident. There was some damage. I'm safe or whatever, or don't even say if you're hurt or not. Are you hurt? I don't know yet. I need to go to the doctor to see, because sometimes adrenaline may make you feel like you're not hurt, and then a day later your neck is jacked up. You don't know what's going on, right? So needless to say, when you call and they call you, you just tell them only the things you know. Don't say more than that. Don't say I think or I assume. Don't guess. Just give just the facts that you know. That's it on the auto claim side. I'm going to talk to you about homeowners claims, very similar, but just to make it a little shorter. All right. Have a good one. If you have any questions, put in the comments below, follow, and if you need a quote, obviously give us a shout. We're here to help you out. Once again, Mr. Just in Case, be safe out there. I just want you to be ready just in case something goes down.